So this question looks like it's going to be a translate word problem question. I say that because the question is longer than 3 lines. I see a lot of quantitative information in it. So we're going to read the question one sentence at a time, making sure to stop at the end of each sentence to make sure we understood what we read before we move on. And then also making sure to write down all of the quantitative information as we see it. So this question says, Marissa needs to hire at least 10 staff members for an upcoming project. Okay, so 10 staff. Next sentence, the staff members will be made up of junior directors who will be paid $640 per week. Okay, I'm going to say JD equals $640 per week. And senior directors who will be paid $880 per week. And SD, which are paid $880 per week. Her budget for paying the staff members is no more than $9,700 per week. So that means that JD plus the SDs have to be less than or equal to 9,700, right? No more than. So it can equal 9,700. It can be less than that. It just can't be greater than that. She must hire at least 3 junior directors. Okay, so JD must be greater than or equal to 3, right? So at least 3. And at least 1 senior director. So SD must be greater than or equal to 1. Which of the following systems of inequalities represents the conditions described if X is the number of junior directors? Okay, so JD is really X. So it's just everywhere I see a JD, I'm going to put X. So X, X, X. And Y is the number of senior directors. Let's get rid of SD. And replace that with Y. Okay. So what do we know? We know something's wrong. So the 10 staff members, right? So actually X plus Y should equal 10. Actually, X plus Y is greater than or equal to 10 because at least needs to hire at least 10 staff members. So this that I put here was incorrect because that's a dollar amount, which means this really should be 640X plus 880Y has to be less than that 9,700. So let's just check all these answers. So choice A has the 640X plus 880Y, but it says that it should be greater than or equal to 9,700. Well, we know that's not the case because we know that in the question it says no more than. So A is completely gone for that reason. Choice B has the 640X plus 880Y being less than or equal to 9,700, so that's good. And then it has X plus Y is greater than or equal to 10. That's also good. It has X is greater than or equal to 3. That's also good. And my Y value. So everything looks like it's good for choice B. I'm going to just double check with the remaining questions. So C is gone again because of the greater than or equal to 9,700. And D, what's wrong with D? So D, this part is correct, but then it has X plus Y is less than or equal to 10. That's not right. So D is completely gone, right? Because we know that that Marissa needs to hire at least 10, which means it could be more than 10. So X plus Y is greater than or equal to 10. So choice B is the correct answer here.